Hello guys, welcome back to BTech. In today's video, I am going to talk about a website called 66EX.VIP, which is an investing website that can help you earn money online. If you are interested in investing, then this video is for you. So the link to this website is available in the video description. When you click on the link, you will get the interface like this. First of all, you need to create an account here. For that, enter your mobile number or email. Then enter the CAPTCHA, then login password and confirm password and click on register button, and after this you will get the home screen like this. One of the great things about 66EX.VIP is that it offers a wide range of investment options, so you can choose the ones that best fit your financial goals and risk tolerance. On the home screen, you will see different tabs like Deposit, Withdraw, Message and License. You can see 66EX has obtained a US MSB compliance license. They also holds US company certificate. Here you can see the date of the registration, stage of information from Financial Crime Enforcement Network Department of the Treasury. Here you can see the address and all of the information. So here you can see a lot of information like invoice products, annualized rate 477%. Here are some of the regular products. You have the USDT periodically. If you invest 10,000 USDT, you can earn 915 USDT in just 7 days. From here you can also choose how much days you want, and each day they have annualized rate. Here you can see 7 days they have 477%. For 30 days more than 500%, and for 90 days they have 685%, and for 180 days 825%, and for 360 days they have 956%. Here is some of the BTC and USDC periodically plans. So before choosing any plan, let's deposit first. Click here on deposit and choose the coin. I will choose USDT TRC20. Then copy the address and go into your digital wallet, either Binance or Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Here you can see the minimum deposit amount is 1 USDT, and do not deposit any currency other than USDT TRC20, otherwise the asset will not be credited and cannot be retrieved. Then go into your wallet, click send via crypto network and paste the address. Choose the network TRC20, enter the amount and click on withdraw. After successfully withdraw, go back. You will see the amount in your wallet. You can see my balance is 2000 USDT. Let's go and show you how to make profits from this website. Here you can see some of their plan. Here if you want to pledge now, enter how much amount you want to invest. Minimum amount is 50 USDT and maximum 52 million. The lockup period is 7 days and you will get expected profit 91 USDT in just 7 days. Click on confirm so you can get more than 400% in just 7 days. They also have the Bitcoin plan of 1 year. Here you can see welfare center. You can click on open and wait a few moments. You will get interest coupon and you can use it now. You can also sign in the welfare center, and you can see here some of the rules. Rewards for continuous sign-in for 7 days in a cycle. The longer the continuous sign-in days, the more reward you will get. Here you can see their current product. You can deposit and withdraw at any time. Interest calculated every minute, and minimum amount is 10 USDT. You can see some of the accumulated created users with a lot of bonuses from $5 to $200,000, and you can get bonus from 10 USDT to 600,000 USDT. Here you can see the members relation sample graph. Drag to level 2. This is how the level works. you can enjoy more than 30% of commission reward on investment profits from all your referral members. So you can see here the FAQ and all the questions that you can ask. Here are some other partners like Binance and OKX. So you can also invite your friends on this platform to earn together. You can get 45% of the commission and also 30% commission from B's investment and 15% commission from C's investment. Just copy your referral link and share it with your friends to invite on this platform. So if you want to get the online consultation, you can contact with the team if you have any issue or problem. Now let me show you how you can withdraw your money. Click on withdraw. Then click the amount that you want to receive in your wallet. I will choose USDT TRC20. Then click here to enter the receiving address. Click this button here to bind your crypto address and paste the address here. And then enter the withdrawal amount and click on withdraw. And you will receive the withdrawal into your account within a few minutes. So this website is a great platform for anyone who wants to invest their USDT in a variety of investment opportunities. So why not create an account today and start investing? The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.